Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Sir JR ng Usap Usap University. Mga ka-U3 sa ating episode ngayon, this is actually an announcement dahil as you may know, last night hindi po tayo nakapag-release ng isang episode dahil po I was in a very important musical event. Actually last night I was at the Pulp Summer Slam at sa Amoranto Stadium sa Quezon City, Philippines, and that was the last world tour performance of the band Slayer, and it was a great event. But for this episode, I'll also be giving you actually a special announcement because on March 29th, ang Usap Usap University po, we will be covering the event at Museo ng Kasaysayang Panlipunan ng Pilipinas in Angeles City, Philippines, mainly sponsored by National Historical Commission. At ang title po ng event na ito ay ang mga kasanayan ng kababaihan noon, and this is in line with the Women's Month po ngayong March. At I'll be there and I'll be listening to some lectures and also some features kung ano daw po ang mga kasanayan ng mga kababaihan noong unang panahon. Kaya maraming salamat po sa mga fans po natin sa U3. I will see you guys next time and hope to see you in Angeles real soon. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.